Once upon a time, life was a fairy tale. Living in Bangalore today, every day it's the same story. You race against time. You jostle for space. Cold metal and glass stare down at you. Fumes envelop your hair and clothes. Noise simply cripples your eardrums. But there was a time when Bangalore was beautiful, when life was a fairy tale. Time moved slowly. Space was everywhere for you to enjoy. The roads were boulevards. The architecture radiated warmth. The fragrance of flowers filled the air. You woke up to the sounds of birds chirping outside your window. Yes, those were the days. How we wish we could go back in time. The fairy tale is back. History is being recreated. Jain Heights presents East Parade. Inspired by old Bangalore. 7 acres of prime space. Just 6 kilometers from the city centre. Architecture by Thomas Associates. Imagine waking up to the call of the birds and fragrance of fresh air before the reality of the world gets to you. Imagine walking along beautiful lush landscapes before the rush hour catches up with you. Imagine sipping hot coffee in spacious surroundings with spectacular views before workspaces crowd in around you. Imagine beginning your day relaxed and energized so you can survive the stress of the world outside. East Parade, a private world inspired by old Bangalore, rich with beauty and charm of old world living, perfectly blending the aura and romance of the past with the luxury of the present. East Parade is all about a superlative living experience. 7 towers, 380 apartments, 2-bedroom, 2-bedroom with study and 3-bedroom apartments. Exclusive premium 4-bedroom tower. Super premium 3 and 4-bedroom duplex apartments with private swimming pools. Imagine a sprawling colonial-style clubhouse with the amenities of a luxury resort to pamper you every day. Imagine sculpted English gardens to fill your world with beauty. Imagine happy times at home with your family every day, oblivious to the chaos of the world outside. Imagine going to sleep with a smile on your face every night. Imagine waking up fresh, relaxed and rejuvenated. East Parade, not just a home, an unmatched lifestyle, an enduring legacy, a priceless asset. East Parade from Jain Heights, combining old world charm with new age living.